Welcome, friends, to this safe space, and thank you for taking this time for some self-care. I invite you to join me in this 15-minute guided meditation using color breathing with blue. Using the color blue helps with balancing our emotions, with allowing ourselves some introspection, and accepting our emotions without getting overwhelmed, validating them, and allowing them to safely run their course without causing harm to anyone. This is a safe space. There is no judgment, no self-criticism. So now let's find a place where you can sit with your legs in front of you or lie down comfortably, and give yourself a few moments to get comfortable with your back straight. And let's help relax our shoulders by lifting them up and squeezing them to our ears as we inhale. Hold for a moment, and then as you exhale, drop your shoulders and gently tilt your head to the left and none to the right. And now close your eyes and try to relax other parts of your body, starting with your stomach. Pull your stomach in and hold it for a moment and then relax. Now try squeezing your buttocks together. Inhale, hold, and as you exhale, relax your muscles. Now your thighs, contract your muscles, hold, and relax. And tighten your calves, squeeze those muscles, and release. And finally, point your toes as much as you can. Hold, and then relax. Terrific job. Now let's take one more deep breath in and hold for a moment and get ready to settle into our meditation. Ready? Deep breath in. Hold. And breathe out. Allow your breathing to return to normal, and take this time to check in with your body to see how you were feeling. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. And check in with your feelings. Notice how you are feeling in this moment. Noticing our feelings allows us to validate them without criticizing them. We are allowed to feel. I will say it again. We are allowed to feel. Maybe you've had a rough day. Maybe something has frustrated you. Maybe you are worried about something. We are allowed to feel. Just let your emotions surface and breathe through them. Breathe in and out. That's all you have to do in this moment. Just breathe in and out. This is a safe time and a safe place to feel your emotions. and let them run their course. This means that if you feel like crying, then give yourself permission to cry. If you feel the need to roar or yell, then roar or yell. Give yourself time to let your emotions run their course, and then allow them to dissipate. If you're feeling sad, remind yourself that it is okay. It is normal. And that doesn't mean that you are weak. It doesn't mean that you're going to be sad all the time. If you're angry or frustrated, it is okay to feel angry and frustrated. It's okay to let those feelings run their course as long as you are not causing harm to anyone, including yourself. If you are worried or anxious, it is okay. We are allowed to feel. These emotions affect everyone sometimes. And when these emotions feel like they're starting to dissipate, to ease up, then you know it's time to let those emotions go. Don't hang on to them. Because once they're ready to go, they're not going to do you any good if you try to continue to hold on to them. Now, continue breathing. Regular breaths. Breathe in and out. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Remember, this is a safe place. It's a safe time. All you have to do is breathe. As you continue breathing, I want you to imagine a blue light forming in front of you. It is blue like the sky on a clear day. Let that blue light surround you and comfort you. Let that blue light give you strength. You are safe here. You are allowed to feel. Life will always bring us challenges, but we have so much strength inside of us that we often do not recognize. We can face these challenges one step at a time. Each experience in our life reminds us that we are learning lessons to grow. And everything we need is inside of us. Each challenge in life reminds you how strong you are. Take a deep breath. Feel your strength resonating inside you. And now let's take a moment and remind yourself, we are allowed to feel. And we're going to use this mantra for the rest of our meditation. Repeat after me. Everything I need is within me. Everything I need is within me. Everything I need is within me. Keep repeating this to yourself as you take this time for yourself. It's time to slowly bring yourself back to awareness, to where you are sitting. Take a deep breath in. Gently wiggle your fingers and toes. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes. Notice how you are feeling. There is no judgment, no self-criticism. Notice your strength that you have cultivated in this moment. Take that strength with you as you go about your day. If you need to, you can return to this meditation, the mantra we used, or any other meditations you need whenever you need it. There is no judgment here. There is no self-criticism. We are allowed to feel. And everything you need is inside of you. There is always a safe place for you here. And let's take a moment. Take a moment of gratitude for yourself. You gave yourself the most important thing that you could possibly give. You. Time for you. Self-care for you. May peace and love go with you throughout your day, my friends. And thank you so much for joining me.